All right, Hardy County Jail, this is Judge Rayful.
Yeah, Island's on.
Highlands, you on? All right, Highlands is on, so we'll do Highlands. Highlands, if Highlands is here and South County's here and Central, swear all the inmates in, please.
All right, go ahead, go and all rise.
Fresh.
Raise your right hand. Swear to tell the truth, nothing but the truth, say I do.
We'll do Highlands first, then we'll come back
Thank
and
you.
go from there. So I think, Mr. Brewer has a case. Which one's that?
It's David Lozano.
David Lozano. All right.
Okay.
David Lozano. And if anybody at Highlands needs the interpreter, please advise and I'll swear her in. But Mr. Lozano has Mr. Brewer. You're going to represent in a limited capacity or full?
Limited capacity at this point, Judge.
Okay. I do find probable cause for the possession.
But we would, if we could be heard on that,
Okay, go ahead.
the affidavit doesn't state that the suspected cannabis was tested, so we would have to find no PC for this.
All right, state response.
At this point, the state would ask, normally I'd ask for 24 hours, but the only email I have from the officer is Central Records. So I would ask if we could bring him back Monday, so that I can try to get more information from the officer. He does have an open case, so if the court does eventually find probable cause, we are going to ask for him to be plugged.
Okay, defense position.
Judge, we would ask for today to find no PC. In the four corners of the affidavit, which is what we have to go off, that's what it says, and it's lacking that element.
State response.
And again, I would ask the court for at least 24 hours.
I'll just reset it for tomorrow. I'll do
Yes,
this
sir.
tomorrow.
I'll try to get a new affidavit. Like I said, the only
No
email
problem.
I have is Central Records, but I'll try to get a new affidavit.
Okay, all right, we'll just do it tomorrow. All right. We'll reset that one for tomorrow. And we'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Very well, Your Honor. That's all I had, if I may be excused.
Yes. All right, let's do the next person would be Joshua Blunkhamsey.
Sanderson's Foot Defender's Office. And I do have one stipulation with the state regarding the one charge of manufacture or deliver paraphernalia, that there should be probable cause for a lesser charge, a possession of drug paraphernalia charge, a first degree misdemeanor charge, instead of the third degree felony that he's charged with for that one charge. And that's the only stipulation.
All right, then I'll find probable cause for that. That's the lesser, the misdemeanor, $5,000 bond, paraphernalia, $2,000 bond, pretrial release, random urinalysis, public defenders appointed. Okay. Thank you. All right, let's do the next person. Step to where they tell you, sir. Tommy Carter. Mr. Carter, you going to hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Hire my own attorney.
All right, I'm gonna find probable cause. And it's Judge Estrada, $15,000 bond, pretrial release conditions, anything further, state?
No.
No, sir.
All right, thank you, sir. Good luck. Let's do Fred Chandler. Mr. Chandler, you've been sworn. Are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek public defender?
No defender, sir.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I mean, do you have any money or assets or anything?
No, sir.
I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. $15,000 bond, you're on pretrial release. It's, how many counts is that? 3 counts, so it's per count. All right, so 3 $15,000 bonds, and you go meet with your public defender and go from there. Good luck.
Your Honor, he's got an open case also.
What else does he have?
An open case.
CF 2644.
Okay, and that's a Parker offense. I'll find probable cause. Or is that already?
What date was the incident?
I've got it right here.
It's June
Yep.
15th and June 16th. This is June 15th of 2025, but I
And
don't
the- and
know.
these are like, April 22nd, 2026,
The CF,
27.
the CF 26448 has an offense date of June 15th of 2025. But I don't know if he was already out on bond.
Safety or defense, you know if he's on bond or not?
I don't know. Islands County Keys.
Yeah, let me do that, because I see the 26 CF 448. That's the 3 counts, and it's signed by a judge.
Okay, that's this.
You seen another case besides that?
It's the 390. But I think that warrant is still outstanding. They don't have any notice in here, so I'm trying to figure it out. Oh, he went to first appearances on that one back on April 29th, so I think he is out on bond, but then the offense.
But
date
the
on
offense
this one-
states are.
The offense date on this one predates that.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm gonna keep him on that, because this was another thing too, this is a warrant, it's already been
Yes.
seen, so I'm not changing. He's got 3 $15,000 bonds, get with your public defender, thank you. Let's talk to Demetrius Edmondson. Sir, you have a child support issue, you could pay $4,000 and get out, do you have that money?
No, I don't.
What do you have?
I'm sorry.
How much money do you have?
At the moment, I'm homeless. I'm taking care of my mom.
All right, and where do you work?
Well, I have home glow cleaning service is what I work at.
How much do you make a week?
I make about $400 a week, maybe
All
$500.
right. Okay, I'm gonna let you out for $500, and then you have to set up a payment plan for $100 a week thereafter, all right? $500 to get out, and then $100 a week payment plan. All right, good luck. Thank you. That's Edmonston. Let's go to Hoffman. Mr. Hoffman, are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
I'm a public defender for announcements.
Okay, number one, I find that you're on probation, so I'm gonna give you a no bond for that violation. Number two, I find probable cause that you were carrying a weapon while on probation and you're a convicted felon and you admitted to it. So are you seeking a public defender?
Yes, sir.
I don't presently appoint the public defender. $50,000 bond on that new charge, pretrial release and GPS and no guns, weapon, ammunition, knives, and random urinalysis. If you get out, okay?
And was that 50 or 15?
50.
So thank you.
All right, good luck, Mr. Hoffman.
Yes, sir.
Let's talk to Tony Mitchell. Mr. Mitchell, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause of the sex offender failure to register, $15,000, you're on pretrial release as well. All right, good luck.
Yes.
Let's talk to Dale Mosby. Mr.
Sir,
Mosby, you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
seek public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause, it's fentanyl, you have a $10,000 bond on that. $1,000 bond on the misdemeanor. You're also on pretrial release with random urinalysis. Step where they tell you, okay? Good luck. I think that covers Highlands except for the bring back tomorrow.
I'm sorry, Your Honor. I'm sorry, I didn't get your last name. I'm sorry. I wasn't listening.
Yeah, we're done with Highlands, right? And I'll come see, Lozano will come back tomorrow, so make sure he's on the list tomorrow, all right?
Yes, sir. All right, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. All right, go off Highlands. Let's swear in Hardy. Did we swear in Hardy yet?
Not yet, Your Honor. Stand up,
Okay,
raise your
great.
right hand. You solemnly
ahead.
swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
All right, thank you. Let's call Aurelio Lozano. Ms. Lozano, I think you already had a hearing in You have Judge Horton on you, and he says you have a $5,000 bond in your state, and you have the public defender. Is that right?
Sir,
Okay, I'll just provisionally appoint the public defender. Your bond's $5,000. Stated, am I missing something, or?
No, sir, there was another charge, but it's marked through, so I think she's already been on that one.
I think she already has. So just $5,000, go see Judge Horton, okay?
yes, sir.
And good luck. Fernando Patino. Come on up, sir. Sir, you have a Manatee County warrant, so you have a no bond, and they're gonna come pick you up on that, all right?
Yes, sir.
Good luck.
Let's go back to.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Get everybody here. So good morning. We're here on first appearance for the Polk County jail sites, which is central and south. Central, swear everybody in, please. Raise your right hand.
All rise, please. Raise your right hand, it's for the whole of nothing but the truth. Yeah, I do. You may be seated.
All right, lower your hands. So good morning. We're conducting first appearances this morning. I'm the circuit judge handling them. I'm Circuit Judge Brandon Rayfield. We're in Polk. There's four purposes for the hearing. First, I'll advise you of the charges that have been brought against you by the state. Second, I'll ask you if you'd like a lawyer to represent you. If you've already retained your own attorney, please advise me. If you'd like to have your attorney present with you, we will attempt to make those arrangements for you. If you want a lawyer appointed by the court to represent you, then I will ask you some questions pertaining to your financial situation to determine if you meet the statutory criteria for the appointment of the public defender. Be advised that there's a $50 application fee for applying for those services. Additionally, the court may require you to pay a reasonable value for those services. If you get appointed a lawyer, they'll either come see you if you're in jail, or if you get out of jail, it's your best interest to go see them. Make an appointment. Third, what I'll determine is there probable cause to hold you for your arrest. That means there are reasonable grounds to believe that a crime may have been committed and that you are the person who committed the crime. The fourth purpose for the hearing is to review your bond status. In some cases, the bond set for you through bookend might be too high, and in other cases, it might be too low. Each of you has the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you. There's an assistant state attorney here in the courtroom with me, listening to everything that's being said, and it's all being recorded. So please do not say anything about the facts of your case or the crime itself. The questions I'll be asking you pertain to whether you want a lawyer and to review your bond. You may refuse to answer those questions. You have the right to communicate with your family, friends, and your attorney. I ask you to keep these rights in mind, and when your name is called, step forward. Do we have any Spanish cases at either place? All right. Y'all are
South
muted.
County does not have any.
South County does not have any. What about Central? Do you have any Spanish?
We have four, Your Honor.
All right, let's bring the Spanish, line them up, and then let's get the Spanish interpreter sworn. Spanish interpreter, please turn the camera on, raise your hand.
Good morning, Your Honor. For the record, Vanessa Veglini, staff interpreter.
All right, ma'am, do you solemnly swear or affirm that you will
Tranquila,
truthfully
porque atrás.
interpret Spanish to English and English to Spanish to the best of your ability in this case, in the cases before the court today?
I do.
All right, ma'am. Go ahead and read the advisory in Spanish, and then I'm going to swear everybody in that's in Spanish.
Buenos días. Esta es su audiencia de primera comparecencia. Esta audiencia tiene solamente 4 propósitos. Primero, informarle sobre el cargo o cargos presentados en su contra. Segundo, preguntarle si ya le está representando un abogado. Si ya contrató uno y el abogado está presente, entonces será el abogado quien hable en representación suya. Si su abogado no se encuentra presente, tendrá la opción de proceder con su audiencia de hoy o posponerla hasta mañana. Si decide posponerla, será su responsabilidad contactar a su abogado para hacerle saber que tendrá una audiencia. Nadie más hará esto por usted. Si desea proceder sin su abogado presente, puede hacerlo. Si usted no tiene abogado, le preguntaré si puede pagar uno. Si usted puede, tomaremos nota de esto y procederemos. Si no puede y califica, el juez le asignaría provisionalmente la oficina de abogado de oficio para que le represente en espera de que usted llene una solicitud para esos servicios. Usted tiene derecho a que un abogado esté presente antes y durante cualquier interrogatorio. Tercero, que alguna objeción en cuanto al motivo fundado se abordará inmediatamente. Finalmente, voy a estar revisando las fianzas y condiciones de liberación con usted para determinar si es necesaria cualquier modificación. Debe saber que si el juez lo pone hoy bajo libertad condicional, independientemente de si es directamente o como condición de su fianza, las condiciones que se anuncien hoy en esta audiencia entran en efecto inmediatamente, aunque usted se encuentre aún encarcelado. Durante todo este proceso, usted tiene el derecho constitucional de permanecer en silencio. Si decide no permanecer en silencio, todo lo que diga podrá ser usado en su contra. Todo lo que se diga donde yo me encuentro, así como también donde usted se encuentra, está siendo grabado. Está presente un abogado de la fiscalía escuchando todo lo que se dice, así que no diga nada sobre el delito en sí. Por favor, recuerde sus derechos durante el transcurso de este proceso y pase al frente. Gracias. Thank you, Your Honor.
Raise your right hands.
Levante sus manos derechas.
Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you give in this case will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Juran solemnemente o afirman que el testimonio que rendirán en este caso será la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad con la ayuda de Dios.
Sí.
Yes.
All right, let's go ahead. I'm going to tell y'all a few things. If I put you on pretrial release today, any judge can modify pretrial release. If I
Ladies.
put you on pretrial release, bond is a condition of it, then I'll set the bond. If there's no bond condition, I'll say it's straight pretrial.
Tengo que decirle
Come
algunas.
come on over this.
You need to mute yourself. If you're a gallery person, mute yourself or I'm going to remove you from the gallery. All gallery mutes unless it's a case pertaining to you.
Tengo que decirle unas cosas. Si los coloco hoy en libertad condicional, cualquier juez podrá modificar las condiciones de libertad condicional. Podría ser como condición de la fianza, de ser así fijaré su fianza. Si no hay fianza, será libertad condicional sin necesidad de pagarla. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. So call the first Spanish.
First will be Eduard Yunes Flores.
Senator Nunez.
Funes.
Okay. Mr. Funes Flores, are you seeking a public defender or your own private attorney?
Señor Funes Flores, ¿está usted buscando que le nombren un defensor público o tiene su propio abogado privado ya?
No.
No.
No? No attorney? Do you want to represent yourself? Do you want a public defender? Or you want to hire your own attorney?
Señor, ¿no tiene abogado? Entonces, ¿quiere representarse a sí mismo? ¿Quiere un defensor público o quiere contratar a su propio abogado?
Me quiero representar a mí mismo.
I want to represent myself.
Okay, all right. I find probable cause. You're your own attorney, $1,000 bond. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Bien, encuentro que motivo fundado, usted es su propio abogado, fianza $1,000, buena suerte, pase por donde le indiquen.
Thank you. Next,
Siguiente.
Miguel Gomez.
Miguel Gomez.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Gomez, are you going to hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Señor Gómez, ¿contratará usted o va a buscar su propio abogado privado o quiere que le nombre un defensor público?
Quiero que me nombre un defensor público.
I would like for a public defender to be appointed.
Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. You have a $5,000 bond on paraphernalia and a $10,000 bond on possession of methamphetamine. You're on pretrial release with a random year analysis. Good luck. Step where they take you.
Provisionalmente le nombraré defensores públicos. Tiene una fianza de $5,000 por la parafernalia y $10,000 de fianza por la tenencia de metanfetamina. Está bajo condiciones de libertad condicional, sujeto a análisis de orina aleatoria. Buena suerte, pase por donde le indiquen.
Thank you. Next,
Carlos Montes Lozada.
Carlos Montez. Are you going to hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
¿Contratará a su propio abogado o necesita un defensor público?
Yo mismo me defiendo.
Self-represented.
All right, I'll find probable cause. Want to put you on a bond of $1,000, pretrial release, no contact with the victim, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Good
Bien,
luck.
hay motivo fundado, la fianza será $1,000, condiciones de libertad condicional, no contacto con la víctima, no armas, ninguna clase de arma, municiones ni armas blancas. Buena suerte.
Do they live together? I think they might be brothers.
They're brothers. They're gonna have to figure out a place to live. They're not gonna, I'm gonna have no contact. One can live there and one can live somewhere else. All right.
Okay, and he declined public defender. right?
He declined, yeah. Fabian Montez Lozada. Are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
¿Contratará su propio abogado privado o busca un defensor público, señor?
No, me represento solo.
No, I'll represent myself.
All right, I'm gonna find probable cause, $1,000 bond, pretrial release, no contact with the victim, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Bien, existe motivo fundado, fianza $1,000, no contacto con la víctima, ninguna arma, ninguna otra clase de arma, ni municiones, ni armas blancas. Buena suerte, pase para donde le dicen. He stepped away, Your Honor, may the interpreter make an announcement.
Please.
Buenos días, atención, si alguien más necesitará asistencia al español, por favor levante su mano ahora. Hearing none, may the interpreter be excused.
I have one raising her hand. Your Honor.
Hang on, we have one person raising their hand. Please step them up. And name?
Mendoza Carrero Wendy.
Raise your right hand.
Levante su mano derecha, señora.
You solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony given out throughout these proceedings is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Jura solemnemente o afirma que todo testimonio durante este proceso será la verdad, toda la verdad y nada más que la verdad con la ayuda de Dios.
Sí.
Yes.
You're Wendy Mendoza Carrera. Are you going to seek a public defender or hire your own attorney? Or represent yourself?
Usted es Wendy Mendoza Carroa. ¿Usted va a buscar que le nombren un defensor público, contratará a un abogado privado por su propia cuenta o se representará a sí misma, señora?
Necesito un defensor público.
I need a public defender.
I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. You find probable cause, your bond set at $2,000. You're on pretrial release, no violent contact, guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Good luck.
Le nombro provisionalmente un defensor público. Encuentro que existe motivo fundado. Su fianza está en $2,000. Está bajo condiciones de libertad condicional que incluyen contacto no violento, a pistolas, cualquier otra clase de arma, municiones o armas blancas. Buena suerte.
Thank you.
Thank
The
you.
interpreter may be excused since there's no one that needs an interpreter, correct? And just make sure.
Yes.
All right, thank you, Madam Interpreter. Let's go to South County. James Arnold.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Arnold, are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
Public defender, please.
All right, you got a no bond on the VOP. I'm gonna keep that. I find probable cause that you, were driving without a license, paraphernalia, possession of methamphetamine. You're on pretrial release, random urinalysis, no driving without a license. The no valid license is $2,000 bond. Paraphernalia is $5,000 bond, and the possession of meth is a $10,000 bond in addition to the pretrial release conditions. But you're on no bond for the VOP 23 CF 8794. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Jack Bohannon.
Yes,
So Bohannon, you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
I need a public defender.
All right, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause possession of meth, $5,000, possession of drug paraphernalia, $1,000. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Your Honor, he's on probation.
He's on probation, bring him back, okay? He's got probation. What's the case number? Is it 26 CF 4996 or no?
I believe it is 22 CF 363.
22 CF 363 is a no bond VOP.
And you're going to ask for public defender to be a
Public defender's appointed on that as well. Thank you. Good luck. All right, let's talk to Kawan Buckley.
Sanderson Public Defender's Office. I do want to waive the reading of both of his charges, and I would point out that our office is already appointed to represent him.
Correct, and that's a Abdoni no bond, so I'm going to make sure the public defender's on it, and it'll just go in front of Judge Abdoni with a no bond, okay? Thank you, sir. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Let's do Renee Casso.
Yes, sir.
All right, are you hiring your own attorney or seeking a public defender?
Public defender, please.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. Let me look over this probable cause affidavit. Thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and put you on straight pretrial release with a, no contact with the victim. No guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. If you you can't go back to the event location. If you live there, you get one time with law enforcement. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's talk to Ronaldo Cortez. Mr. Cortez, you have a warrant out of Highlands and it's a $400 purge. You have $400?
No, sir.
How much do you have?
I have anything right now, sir.
Well, do you work?
Yes, sir. I'm a barber.
How much do you make as a barber each week?
It all depends. Around 400 to 500.
Okay, well, I'm gonna keep your purge at $400. You need to pay it to get out, okay? I think you make that and have that. Good luck.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Let's go to Robert Hall.
What's the name?
Robert Hall, is that him? Who's this fellow here? Just tell me who this fellow is.
Harzell.
Hartzell? Hartzell, James Hartzell.
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you gonna hire your own attorney? I'm sorry, you don't get an attorney because you got a DOD. You owe $310. Do you have it?
No, sir. I'm currently in prison, going to prison.
Oh, you're going to prison? Okay, I'm just gonna keep your purge amount at $310, okay?
All right.
Good luck.
All right.
Let's talk to Jason Henson. Who's this fellow here now? What's your
Martin.
name?
This is Timothy Martin.
Timothy Martin. Are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender because you got a violation of probation?
For now, for the public defender, sir.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and keep you at no bond and appoint the public defender. Good luck.
All right, thank you, sir.
I don't know, I looked at Mr. Martin's, which he also is booked in on a DV ag assault and a DV battery charge. Is that already come through or is that?
I don't have it on mine, but State, tell me if you're seeing something I need to look at.
The only thing on the list is the warrantless box, so I don't know if he's already been booked in on the other stuff or not.
He was booked in.
He has been.
I would just ask that he be brought back tomorrow when those other two charges, because he's booked in on them, so everybody has the paperwork.
State, what's your position?
That's fine.
I can review it now if y'all want me to.
That's-
Let me do that there. Let me review his DV. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put him on, and appoint the public defender on this new charge. I do find probable cause for domestic battery, touch or strike. That's gonna be a $5,000 bond with pretrial release of domestic violence, aggravated assault, deadly weapon without intent to kill. I'm gonna find probable cause on that. That's a $20,000 bond. He's gonna have pretrial release. No contact with the victim, stay away from the event location, one time with law enforcement, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. All right, and then I'm gonna have, no alcohol, no drugs, random urinalysis.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good luck, Mr. Martin.
Thanks, sir.
Next one we have is Martinez Javier.
Javier Martinez,
Yes, sir.
come on up. You have, the warrant outside jurisdiction, Osceola County. You can pay $1,289.12 and get out. Otherwise, you gotta go to Osceola and deal with it. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Thank you.
All
Next
right,
one's last
Mr.
name,
And then who's my next one?
Nagy, Nagy, first name James.
Okay, Nagy is, sworn in. Are you gonna hire your own attorney, sir, or seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna go down this list and then I'm gonna come back to the Parker issues. I do find probable cause on the possession of methamphetamine, $5,000 bond. Probable cause on the paraphernalia, $1,000 bond. He's also on pretrial release, random urinalysis, no driver without a license, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. The touch or harm a police dog, I find probable cause $5,000. Resisting arrest with violence, I find probable cause $10,000. Fleeing attempt to elude with lights and sirens, I find probable cause $10,000. Resisting arrest without violence, probable cause is found $5,000. Driving on suspended license, let's count canceled or revoked, I find probable cause. That's $10,000. FWC rule violation, probable cause along with paraphernalia, probable cause, and the failure to carry motor vehicle liability insurance are all probable cause. That's $1,000 bond per count. Aggravated assault on Leo, probable cause is found, $25,000 bond. Possession of cannabis, probable cause found, $5,000 bond. Keeping a vehicle for drugs, probable cause is found, $5,000 bond. He's also on $5,000 bond. He's also on a release for 26 mm 1173 and 26 CF 1306. And since I found probable cause, I'm going to hold him on a no bond on all those Parker matters. Anything further, state or defense?
No, sir.
I'm sorry, repeat those Parker cases again. I'm sorry.
26 mm 1173, 26 CF 1306. And if I'm wrong, state, tell me which numbers are
No,
right.
sir, those two are correct.
And
all right.
I would ask the public defender.
He may have
He may have the on those.
I think he has Lee Cohen on him. I'm going to leave that. And if something changes, y'all can ask. All right. Good luck, Mr. Nagy. Everett Northcutt, is that my last one?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so Everett Northcutt is, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender, sir?
Hire an attorney.
Okay, all right, I'm gonna find probable cause of the aggravated assault with a deadly weapon without intent to kill, $25,000 bond, pretrial release, no contact with victim, stay away from the event location. You can go back one time with law enforcement, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Unfortunately, you're on some kind of probation or supervision for 25 CT 2460.
Not probation. It's not probation. It's a.
What is that state and defend, and, or not, sorry, not defense.
It's
24
a,
CT.
on bond.
He's on bond, okay, I'm gonna
Yes,
hold
sir,
you
he's out
on,
of month.
I'm gonna hold you on a Parker on that, you can see the judge, no bond.
Oh,
All right.
no.
That's all we have in South County.
All right, South County's done, thank you. All right, let's go to Central, all right? Let me do my females first. All right, is this, Wilmia Acosta Velez?
Well, Maria, go for that, sir. Yes,
Ma'am, you gonna hire your own attorney, seek public defender?
I'm public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause on all charges, $1,000 bond on the paraphernalia, $5,000 on the methamphetamine. Step to where they tell you. Bethany Birchfield.
Yes,
Birchfield, you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna find probable cause for DV battery. I'm gonna put you on straight pretrial release, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Actually, I am putting $1,000 bond on you. No guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. And, do you live at that residence or what's going on there?
Yeah, that's my house.
Okay, and you can have no contact with the victim. And I'll leave it at that, all right?
Okay.
Good luck.
Mhm.
All right, let's do Aisha, Kobe. Ms. Kobe, you have a VOP, it's Polk County. Are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek the public defender?
Public defender.
I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. You'll have to come back to court. Looks like June, 8th. Good luck. Jamia Coleman?
So she's the alleged victim you'll be calling in a couple minutes. Keonji, last name is Gordon.
Yeah, I saw those. Are you gonna ask for straight pretrial release if I find probable cause?
Yes, Your Honor, the officer did write down that he wasn't, the primary arrestor could not be determined, so he did arrest both of them, but I defer to the court.
I'm gonna find probable cause on hers, but I'm gonna give them straight pretrial release, no contact. They can sort out where they're gonna live on their own. And no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Let's call, ma'am, do you want the public defender?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. All right, thank you, ma'am. Step to where they tell you. Angela Crank, is that you?
Yes,
ma'am?
sir. Yes, sir.
You gonna, you already have a lawyer, or you're gonna seek a public defender?
I need a public defender, please, Your Honor.
I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. Judge Hill's issued a bond, $5,000 on the possession of forged title and the fraudulent use of ID, $5,000. Did he put any pretrial release conditions, Ms. State? I don't think he did. All right, you just have bonds. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Antonio Aaron Davis?
Antonisha.
Yes, ma'am. Are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
Public defender for now.
All right, I find probable cause, state which position on bond for the felony and the misdemeanor and pretrial release conditions.
It was a felony?
The
What was
state
the
would
charge?
ask-
It's a felony, it's a burglary, I find probable cause, and a criminal mischief, I find probable cause. State what's your position on bond.
The state would ask for a $15,000 bond on the burglary, and then we would ask for no contact, no weapons as pretrial release condition.
All right, anything from the defense?
He's asked for a $10,000 bond.
All right, I'm gonna go $15,000 bond, no guns, weapons, ammunition, no contact, $250 on the criminal mischief. Good luck, ma'am, step to where they tell you. We're gonna call Kajani Gordon. Ms. Gordon, you're the converse of the other case. I do find probable cause. Are you gonna seek a public defender or your own attorney?
Public defender.
I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna put you on straight pretrial release, no contact with the victim, all right? Good luck. Terry Harvey. Got Ms. Harvey coming up?
Yes.
Are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna put you on straight pretrial release, no guns, weapon, ammunition, knives, no contact. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Good luck, step to where they tell you. One time with law enforcement, you can go back. Veronica Kulovich. Ms.
Yes, sir.
Kulovich, you have an attorney already, or are you seeking a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. Judge Pinkett's put you on a no bond. I'm gonna let you go and see her. You'll come back 5/19 to see her, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck, ma'am. Thank you. Michelle Levine.
Yes, sir.
Levine, are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
You know, sir, I just really don't even know.
Okay, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause on both charges. Cannabis bond is 1,000, paraphernalia is 1,000. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Crystal Locke. Ms. Locke, are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
I already have a public defender. I have court on Monday.
Okay, well, I'm gonna keep you in no bond. Go to court Monday, see what you can get done. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Taylor Mora.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am, you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, my understanding is she has no bond on all these charges. Is that right, Stay?
It's in an order regarding.
Yes, sir.
Right, so it's an order regarding pretrial release, and it's from the judge. So I'm gonna leave it at that until you go see that judge.
So
Okay,
for
5/19.
Tuesday.
Tuesday arraignment. All right, so talk to your public defender. You might be able to get it resolved Tuesday. I'm actually the judge sitting in on Tuesday. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Erica Mayer.
Yes, Your Honor.
You gonna hire an attorney, ma'am, or seek public defender?
A public attorney, at least, the defender, I'm sorry, at least initially.
Okay, I want to provisionally appoint the public defender. State what's your position on pretrial release and bonds, and then I need to hear from the defense.
So the state would ask for. He'd ask for 5,000 per count on the DUIs and 1,000 on the refusal, and then no alcohol or bars and random screens.
Defense?
Yeah, I don't know if she has any record or not, but if these are first DUI charges, I would just ask for the presumptive bonds of 1,000 per charge for the misdemeanors.
Your Honor, she does have it looks like a prior DUI out of Leon County in 2015.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give her 5,000 bond on the proper DUI property damage, $2,000 bond on the DUI, $1,000 bond on the refusal. She's on pretrial release, random urinalysis, no alcohol, no bars. Good luck, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sarah Mashad.
Yes.
Ma'am, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender or represent yourself?
Public defender.
I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause, petty theft, 250 bond. Step to where they tell you. Marie Page.
Yes.
Page, you gonna represent yourself, hire a public defender, or seek a private attorney?
Public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause of resisting arrest without violence. You're on pretrial release, random urinalysis, $1,000 bond, possession of drug paraphernalia, $1,000 bond, and possession of methamphetamine, $5,000 bond. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Chelsea Palmentier.
Yes.
Ma'am, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Public defender.
Okay, I understand that she's on the 26 CT 36, 74, and 75 bonds. So I'm gonna deal with those at the end. But right now, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm going to find probable cause on the attaching tag on the sign, resisting arrest without violence, the unregistered motor vehicle, and the knowingly driving on suspended license. She's on pretrial, GPS, no driving without license. Attaching tag is $2,000 bond. Resisting arrest without violence is $5,000 bond. Unregistered is $2,000 bond. Driving on without license is $2,000 bond. And I'm going to park her, hold her on the 26 CT 3674, 3675. Anything further, defense or state?
No, that's-
That's fine. Public defender's appointed on this as well. Look, step to where they tell you. Shane Robinson.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Robinson, are you going to hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm going to provisionally appoint the public defender on the new charges. I find probable cause, possession of paraphernalia and methamphetamine. You're on pretrial release, random urine, $5,000 bond on the paraphernalia, $10,000 on the meth. I also have a VOP, 26 CF 0808. I find probable cause. You're going to be held no bond, and that'll be the PD appointed as well. Anything further, state or defense?
Yes.
Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Daryl Salaford.
Yes, sir.
You gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender, or represent yourself?
I'll seek a public defender, sir.
Provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause DV battery, $2,000 bond, pretrial release, no contact with the victim, no guns, weapons, ammunition, or knives. Good luck, ma'am.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Carolyn Sanchez.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good
You
morning.
gonna hire your own attorney, public defender, represent yourself?
Public defender.
Provisionally appoint the public defender. You've got a bond for trespass. I find probable cause $250. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Sabrina St. Julian. Are you going to hire your own attorney, ma'am, or seek public defender?
That's not it.
Ma'am, are you going to hire your own attorney, or seek public defender?
I don't think that's the same.
Oh, ma'am, what's your name? Are you Stubbs?
Amanda Zeller.
Zeller, okay, so St. Julian's off and Stubbs unless I see him.
Yes.
Miss Zeller is, are you gonna hire your own attorney, ma'am, or seek a public defender? You have a 26 CF. Okay, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender on the new case. I find probable cause, possession of meth, $10,000 bond, possession of paraphernalia, $5,000 bond. You're on pretrial release with random urinalysis. Fortunately, you're also on, bond for 26 CF 4211, so I'm gonna hold you on a Parker no bond hold on that case. Public defenders appointed on that one as well. Anything further, defense or state? Ma'am, I'm gonna keep Mitchell Ladner on that one, and you're gonna get a PD on the other one, but if they can't do it, then they'll appoint probably Mr. Ladner, all right? All right, is that all my females?
Yes, Your Honor.
I had
St. Julian.
that same one, and they don't seem to be there.
I think St. Julian bonded because there's
Bonded,
not a
okay.
location.
What about?
Bonded as well. withdraw.
I think so, yes, I had them on my list, but then they weren't. Okay, all right, so let's talk to the men now. We're gonna do Joseph Bowers, is that right?
No.
Yes, sir. Mr. Bowers, you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender? Excuse me? Public defender or your own self or your own attorney?
Defender.
All right, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna find probable cause unarmed burglary, $5,000 bond. I'm gonna find probable cause conspiracy, theft of utilities and defraud property. The conspiracy is $20,000 bond. Theft of utilities is $2,000 bond. Defraud is $5,000 bond.
Your Honor, you got the wrong, this is the wrong person.
All right,
Is this not Bowers?
who is this?
This is
Alexander?
Robert Alexander.
All right, let's go back up to Mr. Alexander. Okay. Robert Alexander, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause to EV battery. He's on pretrial release with a $5,000 bond, no contact. He can stay away from the event location, go back one time with law enforcement, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Bradley.
Now let's do Joseph Bowers.
Joseph
Mr.
Bowers.
Bowers, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public
Mr.
defender?
Bowers.
Public defender.
All right, this Bowers is public defender. I'm gonna find probable cause on all the charges. He's got to put on pretrial release, stay away from the event location, $5,000 for the unarmed burglary, $20,000 for the conspiracy to commit burglary, $2,000 for the theft of utility, $5,000 for to obtain property by fraud. He's also gonna violate his probation, 22 CF 363, no bond, and I'll appoint public defender. Good luck. Step where they tell you.
I'm not on probation.
That was Mr. Mo. I thought
Come on,
Bohannon.
Bowers. Bowers.
Bowers on probation. State, tell me if he is or isn't. 22 CF 363.
I thought we
That
did
was
that.
Bohannon.
That was Bohannon. Okay, he's not on VOP then. There's no VOP for Bowers.
He should have bonds.
He should have bonds. I had that. It just led into his, correct. All right, you're not on probation. My bad. Your bonds are still the same. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Sean Bradley.
Sir.
Bradley.
Mr. Bradley, come on up. Are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender, or represent yourself?
I'm an attorney.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and find probable cause, possession of meth, $5,000, possession of drug paraphernalia, $1,000, and you're on pretrial release with random urine. Good luck.
It's only paraphernalia, man.
Takes care of the first sheet. I'll go to the second sheet, and it should be Destin.
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
I'm representing myself.
Okay, he's representing himself. I find probable cause for battery on a Leo, driving on a suspended license, resisting officer with violence. State, what's your position on bonds? He's gonna be on pretrial release, no driving without license, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives, and a random urine.
He asked for 7,500 on the Bat Leo and then 1,000 each on the other two counts.
I'm gonna do 7,500 on the Bat Leo, and I'm gonna do 2,000 each on the other counts. Good luck. Rashawn Fields,
Yes, sir.
Fields, you gonna hire your own attorney, or seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm gonna go ahead and provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna put you on pretrial release, no driving without license, random urine, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. State what's your position on bonds.
And we would ask for. We'd ask for 5,000 on the fleeing and 2,000 each on the other two counts. He's got an open case. Let's see.
While she's looking that up, defense, what's your position?
First of all, did Mr. Fields want the public defender?
He did. You said public defender, is that right, Mr. Fields?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I can't hear very well. I would just ask for presumptive bonds on the new charges,
Okay,
since he has apparently another case.
I'm gonna do the 2, 2, and 5. Thank you. What's the other case?
It's CF 26, 1989.
He's on bond.
He's on pretrial release, Your Honor.
Okay, he's on pretrial release. That's a Parker then, no bond. You could deal with the judge on that, okay?
And
Yes,
can
sir.
you sign this revoked order for me, Your Honor?
What were the bonds for the current charge?
Resisting without is 2,000, fleeing is 5,000, knowingly driving is 2,000. And then that puts me to Jacob Golden, is that right? Step to where they tell you, Mr. Fields.
Your Honor, can you sign this revoked order for me to your left?
Got it. Okay, remind me to sign anything on the left. I'm looking closely right.
Yes, sir. Thank
Jacob Golden, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Golden, are you gonna seek a public defender or represent
Public-
yourself?
Public defender.
Provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause for violation of an injunction, $10,000 bond. You're on pretrial release with the GPS, no contact with the victim, no guns, weapon, ammunition, and knives. Unfortunately, you were just released from jail under 26 MM 1521, so there's a no bond Parker hold. If you want to deal with the judge on that, I'll appoint the public defender and you can go see that judge.
Did he pled?
Did he plead on that?
He pled yesterday.
But he was told to not go there. I read something about that.
Let me see.
What is the case number?
It's MM 261521.
So did he plead to supervision?
The offer was for jail time, so, and they don't have the sentence updated in here yet, so I'm not sure.
In Showcase, they have it showing that he pled on May 14th. He got 90 days.
90 days, the offer was 90 days, so.
So that case is already.
I'm not gonna Parker you on 26 MM 1521. If something changes, I'll let the state file something, all right? So
All
he's
right.
got $10,000 bond on those other ones, all right? Unless the state wants me to revisit that.
No, sir, that's fine.
Okay, all right, so that covers page 2. I'm going to Grimm next, Michael Grimm, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Come on up, sir. Are you gonna
Yes, sir.
hire an attorney or seek a public defender?
Public defender, sir.
Okay, is he on any release or things or just has new law? I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender.
Morning.
I don't see anything, but I don't know why he doesn't have a bond.
Yeah.
Put a bond of 2,000 on the paraphernalia, 10,000 on the meth. He's on pretrial with random urine. If there's anything else, state,
I don't see anything open. I think he has a significant history.
I got you.
That's why.
no problem. Good luck, sir. Step to where they tell you.
Thank you.
Virtual Hall.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Hall, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender? Because you got a VOP. I'm gonna keep it a no bond, but do you want the public defender or your own attorney or represent yourself?
Public defender.
Provisionally appoint the public defender, no bond. You go back to court 6-9 with F7. Good luck.
Okay.
Let's talk to Robert Howell, please. Mr. Howell, who's this fella right here?
Robert Hall. Sir,
This is Hall. What's your name, sir?
Robert Hall, Hall.
Oh, Robert Earl Hall.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sorry. Are you gonna hire an attorney or seek a public defender?
Public defender.
I had him at South County's wife. So, you got a public defender, so I'm gonna provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause DV battery. Pretrial release, no contact with the victim, stay away from the event location, go back one time with Leo, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. State which position on bond.
Your Honor, we would ask for $7,500 bond at this point.
Defense?
Well, Your Honor, again, I didn't have a chance to check on whether people had prior records or not. The presumptive bond is normally $5,000. The reason it's even a felony is because the alleged victim, I believe it's, is it his father?
Yeah, I think.
It is older than 65, so that's the only reason that it's been up to a third-degree felony. I would ask for a reasonable bond on this case.
I'm gonna do 5,000, okay? Good luck.
And you gave him one time.
One time, yeah. So who's my next person, sir? What's your name?
Jason Henson, Your Honor.
Okay, they moved him from South is what it is. So Jason Henson, are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
Public defender, sir.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender, $1,000 bond for the paraphernalia, $5,000 bond for the cocaine. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
Yes, sir.
Is this Mr. Howell?
Yes, sir.
Hey, sir, you have $100 DRD. Do you have $100?
No, sir. I just got out of 6 month rehab.
Oh, did you? Okay. I'm gonna let you bond out. I want you to go and set up a payment plan. $20 a week in about 2 weeks. Can you do that?
I'm gonna go into the VA hospital as soon as I get out here to get 2 operations.
Do you have VA money coming in?
No, sir.
Do you have disability?
No, sir.
Any money coming in?
No, sir.
All right, I'm gonna release him for nothing and, I'm gonna set up court date for him to go to court, tell how much he can pay. All right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Good luck. Jeffrey Malloy?
Yes, sir.
I know Judge Harb signed no bond on his warrant, but he's only violated for owing money on this violation of probation case. He has $123.54 in arrears, and then he owes $772.86 in arrears for some other condition. I would ask for either ROR, a bond, or an earlier court date because he's only violated for not paying money.
Mr. Malloy,
Yes,
do
sir.
you post $1,000 cash bond?
All the $700, that's already paid. That's all paid up.
Okay, how much can you post cash bond? Can you post $500?
I literally put all my money into paying everything and then they arrested me.
Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna have you post a $250 cash bond. All right?
Okay.
That's something you can get, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll put you on, then I'll just say you go to the court date with Judge, Harp.
Yes,
It's a
sir.
cash bond, all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good luck. You want the public defender, I'm gonna appoint the public defender.
Yes, public defender.
Thought I did, but I didn't make sure. Let's do Johnny Martin. Is that Mr. Martin?
Yes, sir.
Sir, are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause for both charges, $1,000 bond on the paraphernalia, $5,000 on the possession of meth. Good luck, step to where they tell you. Israel Matthias Feliciano.
Yes,
Sir, you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Hi, public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause for all the charges. I'm going to put you on pretrial release, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives, no contact with the victim, stay away from the event location, go back one time with law enforcement. The corrupt by threat or public servant, $10,000 bond. Resisting arrest without violence, $1,000 bond. Domestic battery, touch or strike, $25,000 bond. Interference with a first responder, $250 bond. Resisting officer without violence, $10,000 bond. Good luck. Step to where they tell you.
What the hell? All my charges?
That's all the charges. State anything else or defense anything else?
No, sir.
Good luck. Thank you, sir. Step to where they tell you. Randall Meyer.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Meyer, you failed to appear and Judge Flynn issued a bond of $500. So you're bondable. Do you have an attorney? Are you seeking an attorney or do you want to represent yourself or the public defender?
Public defender, please.
Represent him on this. This is the municipal.
Okay, I'm gonna just let you have a bond of 500 and you go see, if you bond out, go see Judge Flynn about an attorney, okay?
Yes, sir.
What's the comment on the KP say? Pull it up if you could. I saw the Flynn thing, but I don't know that do you see a comment? May plead at first appearance for $108. Do you want to? Mr. Meyer, is he back?
Randall.
If you, Mr. Meyer, for $108 fine and court costs, do you want to plead?
Yes, sir.
All right, raise your right hand. Are you already been sworn? Sir, do you want to enter a plea of no contest and receive a fine of $108?
I sure do.
All right, is you knowingly, willingly, and voluntarily entering this plea and waiving your right to a jury trial, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Your right to a non-jury trial, is that right?
Yes, sir.
What's threatened you or coerced you to enter into this plea and you're doing it of your own free will and volition?
Yes, sir, I am.
I told you you could bond out for $500, but in essence, if you're doing this, are you doing this because you want to resolve the charge or you just want to get out of jail?
Both.
Okay, but you could pay your $500 bond and get out of jail and not plead to this charge. You plead because you're guilty?
Sir, I don't have the money to bond out. I missed court because I was in jail. I was hoping I just could be
All right.
released.
But you
I
want
need
to, you want to pay the $108 fine and resolve it without a trial, even though you could bond out or get put on pretrial release and deal with it later. You want to deal with it today for $108.
Yes, sir, I do.
All right, I'm gonna adjudicate you guilty, $108 fine and court costs, reduced to judgment lien. You have 30 days to appeal the judgment, since the court can't afford an attorney, want to be appointed for you. Good luck, step to where they tell you.
Sir, am I being released today, sir? I'm sorry.
Yes, I just reduced it to a judgment lien. Good luck.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. I think my next is James Powell, is that right?
Yes, sir, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Powell, are you gonna hire an attorney, seek a public defender?
Public defender.
I'll provisionally appoint the public defender, cannabis and paraphernalia.
Yes, sir.
Cannabis and paraphernalia are probable cause found, $1,000 bonds each. Good luck. Trayvon Rags. Mr. Rags, are you gonna hire your own attorney, seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right. All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause for DV battery. I'll put you on straight pretrial release, no victim contact, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. State anything further or defense anything further?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Elijah Reed.
Yes, sir.
Reed, are you gonna, you're on a VOP, so there's a no bond. Do you have an attorney or are you seeking an attorney?
Public defender.
I'll provisionally appoint public defender. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Let's talk to Eric Richardson. And
Yes,
State,
sir.
I'm gonna need to know a little bit about that 24 CT 10602 after I go through this. So, Mr. Richardson, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm going to provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause on all the new charges: leaving the scene, $1,000 bond; resisting officer without violence, $5,000 bond; DUI, alcohol and drugs, $5,000 bond; DUI property damage, $10,000 bond; fleeing to elude, lights and sirens, $15,000 bond; knowingly driving on suspended license, $1,000 bond; refusal to submit to breath alcohol test, $5,000 bond. You're also on pretrial release. Random urinalysis, breathalyzer, no guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives, no driving without a suspended license. Unfortunately, I think you're on probation for 24 CT 10602, and I want to confirm that with the state and the defense, and then I'll decide.
He got put on probation in April of 25 for 12 months probation, but I don't know if there's a VOP
There's a,
pending.
you know, when 25 CT 04260 in showcase, it's showing a petition and order for cancellation of hearing and termination of probation. An order of the court saying his probation is hereby set aside. The hearing is canceled, his probation is terminated, and that was signed by Judge Pady on April 9th. So it's my.
And he's off probation.
That he's not even on probation as of
Correct.
Yeah, because it would have timed out. I just didn't.
Timed out, so-
Be pending, yeah.
Okay, so he's off probation, so there's no hold on a probation. He has bonds and pretrial release. Good luck. Step to where they tell you, Mr. Richardson. Brandon Ruiz Mia.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. Are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek a public defender?
Your Honor, I have a private attorney.
All right, so private attorney, state what's your position?
State would ask for 5,000 per count.
Okay.
It looks like these are add-on charges.
All right, 5,000 per count. Is he on pretrial release?
I think these are add-on charges, so I don't think.
I'm gonna put him on pretrial release, random urinalysis, and no driving without a license. And it's 5,000 a case, a count. Good luck, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you. Robert Shane, Mr. Shane.
Yes, sir. Good morning.
Morning, sir. How are you?
Been better.
I understand. Are you going to hire your own attorney, represent yourself, or seek a public defender?
Public defender be fine, Judge.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause on all the charges. Your paraphernalia is $1,000. Your possession of meth is $5,000. Your possession of oxys is $5,000. Pretrial release, random urinalysis. If you got a prescription for anything, give it to your probation, or to me, your pretrial release officer, and you can have prescription meds, okay?
Yes, sir.
Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Michael Shaw.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. You got a no bond from Cumbie. Do you have an attorney, or are you seeking the public defender, or are you going to represent yourself?
Public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Sean Smith.
Good morning.
Mr. Smith, are you going to represent yourself, seek a public defender, or hire a private lawyer?
Public defender.
I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause. I'm gonna put you on pretrial release, random year analysis, no driving without a license. You're gonna have a bond of $1,000 on the paraphernalia, $10,000 on the cannabis resin, $1,000 on the DWLSR, and $10,000 on the grand theft. Anything further, state or defense?
No, sir.
All right, thank you. Step to where they tell you. Marcos Vasquez.
Yes.
Ms. Vasquez, are you gonna hire your own attorney or seek public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I find probable cause on all charges. I'm going to put you on pretrial release, no contact with the victim, stay away from the event location, go back one time with law enforcement. No guns, weapon, ammunition, or knives. Battery is $1,000 bond. The aggravated assault with a deadly weapon is $25,000 bond, and the resisting arrest without violence is $1,000 bond. Good luck. Step to where they tell you, sir. Roy Dixamar.
Morning, Your Honor.
Morning, sir. You got some bonds, I'm sorry, you got charges out of Lake County and they're all no bonds. We're gonna hold you until Lake County comes and gets you. If you don't, get picked up by 5/21/2026, you'll have a 1 PM first appearance, okay?
Okay.
Good luck. Step to where they tell you. Who's this fellow, Mr. Watson or Mr. Whitmore?
Watson.
Watson? Willie Watson, you have, are you gonna hire your own attorney, represent yourself, seek public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna put you on possession of methamphetamine, probable cause, cannabis, probable cause, paraphernalia. I want $2,000 bond on the misdemeanors each and $5,000 on the felony. All right, good luck. Step to where they tell you. Brian Whitmore.
Yes, sir.
Whitmore, are you gonna hire your own attorney, represent yourself, or seek public defender?
Public defender.
All right, I'm going to originally appoint the public defender. I'm gonna put a $5,000 bond on the paraphernalia in a possession of meth, $10,000 bond, pretrial release, random urine, and you're not to drive without a license. On the other charges, you have a VOP for 24 CF 11274. There's a no bond on that, okay? Good luck.
Thanks.
Arsenio Wiley.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Wiley, are you gonna represent yourself, hire an attorney, or seek public defender?
I guess public defender.
I'll provisionally appoint the public defender. I do find probable cause on all the charges, and I'll set bonds, and if the state or defense wants to tell me anything different, please do once I set. You're on pretrial release, no contact with the victim, stay away from the event location, go back one time, no guns, weapon, ammunition, knives. Your prior conviction, DV battery, is $20,000 bond. Your DV battery prior conviction is $20,000 bond, and your child abuse with great bodily harm is $25,000 bond. Anything further, defense or state?
Just no contact and no weapons.
So how do I get a child abuse, sir?
And
I don't want to say that. I'll let your lawyer say that. I read the probable cause affidavit about a child in a crib being slammed down, but go ahead and state.
That's not true, sir. That's my baby. I wouldn't do. That's not true.
One time, yes, ma'am. All right, sir, I found probable cause. It's a different standard than beyond reasonable doubt. Speak to your attorney. Good luck, step to where they tell you.
How much the bonds are? Could you restate the bonds?
Release condition. Go ahead, sir.
Could you
How much
restate?
was bond, Your Honor?
His bond is $25,000 for the child abuse, $20,000 for the DV batteries, each count. So total is $65,000.
That's on this way.
All right, anything further from the jail?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. Good luck. We're gonna shut things down. Thank y'all for appearing, and I'll see y'all tomorrow, 8 o'clock.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court's adjourned. I need to sign anything?
Yes.
What do I need to say?
That plea that you took.
That plea I took, I figured something was gonna have to happen. All right, I'm gonna leave. Yeah, please, no comment. I'm gonna leave Lozano on the desk. We'll deal with him tomorrow. Yeah, some of these were not, what happened was you go into the pretrial release folder and they were in the takeoff folder. And then some of them were in South County, and I guess they moved.
What SPC is Sheriff Cross Testing Center, so that's not in South County.
That's what it's, that's newer, because I haven't done this up here in a while.
Oh, you're ready.
Okay, so SPC is a process. I need to, I'm glad you told me, because I mark always the color code. All right, we'll see y'all tomorrow.
Really, are you gonna be here tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
All right, I'm gonna shut down everything right here.